Spend the day with me. We are starting with coffee. I need to make myself some coffee because it's gonna be a long day. I'm cooking for the week, so I need the coffee. I don't know if I'm the only one who loves cooking and watching movie. Let me know if you love doing that too. Today I'm making some jollof rice and stew, and I'm using goat meat and turkey. I'm just going to go ahead and prep my meat and the turkey as well before popping that in the oven to grill. I just don't like frying. Like, frying is not my thing. I don't like when oil is like jumping everywhere, so I just put it in the oven and grill it. I do have an air fryer, but that thing, I don't even understand what's happening with it, so we're not just going to talk about it. While my meat is steaming, I decided to make myself some, well, not myself because I don't really like puff puff, but I decided to make snack. And this is the flour I'm using. It's already like pre-made. Everything is mixed inside, the yeast and all. I just needed to put some warm water and then mix it in. Yeah, this is me testing it if the mixture was okay. And then I checked on my meat, it was good. I popped that in the oven, and then by that time my puff puff was ready, and then I started frying it. Look at how gorgeous this thing looks like this looks so good. It looks so good. Next time I think I'm gonna make this with beans. Look at how this is so good. Protein straight from the oven, and then I started making my jollof rice and stew. I made them together because like the same time because I was getting tired and I just wanted to leave the kitchen. I do miss shooting cooking videos, but sometimes it can be so overwhelming. So this is my jollof rice. This jollof rice tastes so good. Added in my protein, and then I served them in bowls, let them cool down before putting it in the fridge, and I'm done for the week. I was so tired at this point and I just wanted to rest, but I still had some videos to edit. So yeah, so this is everything I made: the jollof rice, the stew, and the puff puff. Of course, I went straight into the shower, and I'm just showing you guys what I normally use for my shower routine. And this face wash is the best so far. This combination right here is also the best. I know I say it's the best, but yeah, this body cream is so good. It smells really good and it's thick, very moisturizing on the skin. I love it, and I also love the smell. Like, it smells amazing. Of course, body oil, I cannot do without it. Deodorant, and this is now my skincare routine. Same thing, just showing you guys everything that I use. I love this eye cream and this lip balm. Fragrance Mist is the same scent as the body cream I used earlier. I just wanted to keep things in the same family, and I'm done. It's time for me to go and edit my videos. Thanks guys for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.